Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create timesheet in Coda. So if you have signed up to Coda and you have your free workspace where you can create a new doc, choose start blank doc, right? So they should open empty document like this. Now let's see, this is timesheet, right? Now what we're gonna do is we are going to create 3 columns or more if you want. So let's see, total 5 columns. So we'll use / then table, right? So we will remove any default one, right? And we are going to rename this. So we will start with the day, and then second being time in, right? Let's remove the notes one and start from again. Here we will make it time out, right? Then again time in, right? And then time out. So we have day, time in, and time out too, right? So within entire day you will have some of these in and out options. So we will change their type, right? So column type will pick a timer or date sort of. So date and time, or you can also have duration. So first we will use date and time. Again for second we will use column type date and time. Fourth one column time, and then we have date time, and then we also have this one to be date and time. We can add one more and see total hours, right? Make it formula, right? So type being the formula, right? So for formula what we can do is equals to, and within that say time out minus this time in, right? Then we will use plus, we will use say time out 2 minus time out time in 2. So formula is pretty much this, right? Missing value seems to be there, so we can remove that, right? And hit enter, right? So if there are any errors we will take a look at that. Missing value before operator, edit formula. So missing value before equals to operator, so they need something. So count, can use see particular value for this, say hours, right? So r, right? And then we have the formula. Just in case it would cause error, you will have to create the variable, or best option would be instead of doing the calculation in the extreme right, you can create another particular column at the bottom and do the calculation for those, right? But it helps to have one such column like this, right? So let's go there, right? Now hit enter. So we have our formula here. So let's go with one of the day, say Sunday, or if your week starts from Monday, then go for Monday. Then your time in, let's say you have Monday 2nd, where you started from say 9 then timeout, second up to 130, then you come back second 2 to 6, right? So up to 6 you have work hours. If you notice to the right, your total hours are 8 hours 30 minutes, right? Now what we will do is we will time in and out with some color to the columns. So let's say we have column type, filter, group, conditional format, or we can even, let's say, formatting. Then we have blue for time in, right, and yellow for timeout, right? So conditional format, blue, then we have timeout, conditional format, yellow, right? Sorry, turns out it is picking this one for blue, right? So we come back here, again select this, conditional format, yellow, right? And then we have this particular column, then column type, conditional format, again yellow, right? And then we have total hours. So we will have one more color for this, and then you have like green or maybe some simple color, big green, right? So we have timesheet here, and so make timesheet tracker, right? And we keep on adding new days, right? And then you can simply add your working hours, say 8, and here 8 to 130. Then you have again right, then you have 2 to 6, right? Then you have your time, right? So this is pretty much how you make timesheet tracker in Coda.